Garlic, ginger and turmeric have a long history of both boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Food can be preventative medicine when you eat a diet packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals and gut-friendly properties, such as probiotics. And certain ingredients have the potency to bolster your body's defenses against illness. Garlic, ginger and turmeric, for example, have a long history of both boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation, says certified health coach Amanda Carney, who is the director of integration at The Well. Of course, food is the most powerful when it is combined with other healthy lifestyle habits, getting adequate sleep, exercising and finding ways to mitigate stress. These wellness shots can supply an added dose of goodness during trying times. Recipe number 1. Garlic citrus turmeric shot. Ingredients. You will need 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon hot water, 1 lemon, juiced, 1 navel orange, juiced, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, dash of cayenne pepper, dash of sea salt, grind of black pepper, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, optional. Add in a drizzle of coconut oil to gain full benefits of turmeric. Directions. Whisk together garlic, honey, turmeric and hot water until smooth. Add the lemon and orange juice, ginger, cayenne pepper, sea salt, black pepper and tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Enjoy ASAP for maximum health benefits. Recipe number 2. Carrot turmeric shot. Ingredients. 3 carrots, peeled, 1 lemon, peeled, 1-inch piece of peeled ginger root and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Directions. Place ingredients in either a juicer or blender. If using a juicer, juice ingredients and enjoy. If using a blender, pulse until well blended. Then pour into a nut bag or cheesecloth and squeeze out moisture. Enjoy ASAP for maximum health benefits. Recipe number 3. Citrus apple garlic ginger shot. Ingredients. 1 orange, peeled, 1 lemon, peeled, 1 cup pineapple, diced, 1 apple, core removed and diced, leave on skin for maximum nutrition, 1 clove garlic, 1/2 3/4 fresh ginger root, dash of cayenne pepper, used to sprinkle over the juice, once made. Directions. Place ingredients in either a juicer or blender. If using a juicer, juice ingredients and enjoy. If using a blender, pulse until well blended. Then pour into a nut bag or cheesecloth and squeeze out moisture. Enjoy ASAP for maximum health benefits. Nutritional and medicinal benefits of ingredients. Lemon juice. High in vitamin C and helps support digestion. Orange juice. High in vitamin C, folate, potassium and antioxidants. Garlic boosts the functions of the immune system. Ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea and may fight flu and colds. Turmeric, loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper helps activate the curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Coconut oil may kill harmful microorganisms in your body, and the fat, along with black pepper, increases absorption of curcumin and turmeric. Carrot, source of vitamin A from beta-carotene, vitamin K1, potassium and antioxidants. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe.